Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I having to repair Glem gas 5 burners gas cooker. It is some valves already got broken, also not closing gas, continuously gas coming. We will check what was the problem exactly. After that we can go ahead with the next step. We have to repair this is as soon as possible. We have to hand over to the customer because customer using this one for the cooking foods. Because of that we promised to customer tomorrow morning we have to give. Because of that we are hurried to repair. We will check what was the problem exactly.
स्टार्ट करेगा
All the 5 burners are working, but the customer complain these burners are not getting gas cut off in. Now we will check. See this gas valve, it's on all. Now I am closing this one, this corner one. Yeah, it's already closed position now, but burner is still continuously working. Okay, we will go to the small burner. Now it's like that. Now position burner, it is already got closed. Now third one, big burner, also getting off, and medium. This one valve already broken. We cannot move. Only this continuously lightning flames continuously working. That means this one also valve broken, not closing. It is very dangerous. Also other one is already off position. It is already off. That means these 2 burners, this one and this one, valve already broken. Because of that we have to repair the valve, otherwise we have to replace the valve. We have to remove the top cover. After that only we can decide what we can do. First suppose we remove that glass. Now we have to remove the top cover, and all the burners having 2 screws, and backside the machine, backside the unit having this 2 screws. After that we can remove the top cover. After that only we can check valve working or not. We have to replace all. Here we have to remove all these 2 screws. All the burners having 2 screws, but big one having 4 screws. After that only we can remove front cover, top cover. Now we remove all the screws. We can take it out now. Top cover. Now this valve not closing. Also this valve not closing. Now we have to replace, otherwise we have to repair this 2. Now we have to remove this one, and after that only we can remove the valve and check. Don't forget, first you have to close the gas properly. After that only we have to do all the things. We will remove the gas hose.